This is bird-friendly glass, and today at Security Glass Products, we're turning it into an insulated glass unit, or IGU. The process begins with a precisely cut sheet of bird glass, thoroughly cleaned to remove dust, fingerprints, or residue before proceeding. Next, the glass is tempered, heated to over 600 degrees Celsius, and cooled rapidly. This makes it up to 5 times stronger than regular glass, enhancing safety and durability in high-traffic or commercial settings. Once tempered, the glass is staged and fed into our automated glass installation production line. A high-pressure wash ensures the panes are spotless. The conveyor carries each pane to a precision applicator, where the spacer frame is automatically installed. This frame creates the insulated air gap and contains desiccant material to keep the interior moisture-free. Before sealing, our team performs a detailed quality control inspection. Any flaw in clarity, no matter how small, is addressed before continuing. The second and third panes are carefully aligned and sealed to the first, forming the IGU Sandwich. At the next station, protective cork pads are applied to one side of the unit, preventing scratches during handling, shipping, and installation. A separate sealing machine applies a strong perimeter sealant, locking out moisture, reinforcing structural integrity, and extending the unit's lifespan. Edges, corners, and overall appearance are checked again to ensure the IGU meets our high standards for architectural glass and commercial glazing projects. Then, the finished IGUs are carefully loaded onto A-frame racks for transport, ready to be installed in projects where performance and design matter. Security Glass Products provides custom glass solutions for safer, smarter, and more sustainable spaces.